Mold remediation is an ever-changing industry, and today's mold remediation company has to keep up with advancing technology and methods. We've all heard about the horror stories of mold within homes and buildings. We've also heard about people who have had their homes literally torn apart during the mold removal process, and others where an occupant has been advised to leave their home immediately due to mold. Visible mold is only half the battle. No remediation job is complete without addressing airborne contaminants as well. But don't fall into the trap of fogging pesticides and other dangerous chemicals into the air. GM6000 is the workhorse of the Goldmorr system. This additive is used for the removal of most types of visible staining, including mold staining from hard surfaces such as plywood, OSB, concrete, and lumber, to name just a few. This is a superior stain remover that is easy to use with no special equipment needed, and most importantly, requires minimal or no scrubbing or wire brushing in order to remove the staining. Goldmorr GM2000 is completely biodegradable and is specifically formulated to provide clean, safe, and certified indoor air quality. The Goldmorr system incorporates people, processes, and products and is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply spray it, fog it, and clear it. Collectively, Goldmorr technicians have hundreds of years of experience. Future technology is not in the distant future. Instead, it's already here. Don't delay. Visit our website now if you'd like to take advantage of this amazing technology and the easiest mold removal system that is already available to you.